In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma like Photoshop. Whether you're a designer switching from Photoshop to Figma or just curious about leveraging Figma's capabilities, you're in the right place. We'll explore some essential features that will give you that Photoshop-like experience in Figma. So let's dive in. First, head over to Figma. You can easily find it by typing Figma into your search bar, or if you're already a member, you might even have a bookmark saved. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you want to do is log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage, so just click on that. If you don't already have an account, that's where you'd have the option to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. Once you're home, you can see all your recent projects and any shared files you have access to. To start using Figma, like Photoshop, the first task is to import an image. Think of this as opening an image in Photoshop. In Figma, simply go to the File menu, select Place Image, and choose the image you want to work with from your files. It's as simple as dragging and dropping, and your image will be placed right into the canvas. Next up is typography and text styling. Much like Photoshop, Figma provides robust options for text. Click on the text tool in your toolbar or press the T key. From there you can click anywhere on your canvas to start typing. You'll notice a panel on the right where you can adjust the font, size, weight, line height, pretty much everything you need to get your text looking just right. This feature is especially handy for mock-ups or designing text-heavy graphics like posters or flyers. Now let's talk about the effects panel, where you can apply effects similar to Photoshop layer styles. Select any image or shape on your canvas and take a look at the right side panel. Down at the bottom you'll find the effects section. Here you can add things like drop shadows, blurs, or even gradient overlays. This is one of the key ways that Figma mimics the layer functionalities you might be used to in Photoshop. Lastly, explore the world of plugins in Figma. Plugins are powerful tools that extend Figma's functionality, allowing you to perform more complex tasks. You can access plugins via the extensions menu, and there are plenty to choose from, including ones specifically designed to enhance your image editing capabilities. They can automate repetitive tasks, add new design assets, or even integrate with other tools you may already be using. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to using Figma like Photoshop. Embrace these features to streamline your design process and make Figma your go-to design tool. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.